Hello everyone, I'm Latifah Husnun, biomedical engineering student at Telkom University. I decided to major in biomedical engineering because this field is still rare in Indonesia, but it has been growing rapidly and is highly demanded in many other countries. I am interested in combining medical science and engineering studies to create innovation that can improve human health. I really enjoy my major because I can learn about machine learning, deep learning, coding, and biomedical technology, which always keep me updated with the latest scientific development. During my study, I also had a valuable experience visiting hospital to observe medical devices such as ESWL and MRI. Seeing how these devices work and understanding their function made me more motivated to contribute to the development of medical devices in the future.